put down from the birthday girl. We have the birthday girl in the house doing this amazing. We just did the full highlights and lowlights. I did remove a lot of the bulk from the hair. Can you walk around, please? My camera woman. Thank you for that, camera woman. Lift your head up just a little bit here. We did an amazing hair color transformation on this gorgeous lady's hair. I used the Davines lightener and Davines mask color. I used Davines. Can you stand over here, please? View glass toner and with the clear, and we have something else from Davines, which is I'm really happy about it. Liquid glass, which is incredible. Use it instead of a conditioner to bring some sheen, because when you use a lot of foil and lightener for the hair, could you back up just a little bit? And lift your head up for me and look at your right shoulder. So anytime we do a haircut, when dry haircut, eliminates the guesswork, and you can really see your haircut, how the hair moves. It's almost like a driving. One great analogy I've always believe in is driving in a wet, rainy weather. You're driving in a dry, sunny day. Same concept applies to an excellent haircut, because when you dry cutting, you can really see everything hair is doing. Look at your left shoulder. So, can you come behind my right shoulder? So, same here. Just lost my comb. Luckily I have another one. Stand by. Look toward your center of the body. And I have this beautiful lady. How long have you been coming to Mario's Hair Designers, dear?
Oh, I don't know, 15, 20 years?
Yeah, thank you very much. Not her sister, her mother, her daughters, her nieces, everyone been through Mario's Hair Designers. At Mario's Hair Designers, we don't make mistakes, ladies and gentlemen, we make discoveries. And wish happy birthday to this gorgeous young lady. Her birthday is coming up. So I appreciate my clients dearly and very much. And I appreciate all my clients who supports Mario's Hair Designers through the years. We love every one of you guys. And you know that it shows, because proof is in the pudding. When you say love, you gotta give work that's beautifully done and inspires you. The way I believe in the philosophy of Mario's Hair Designer is, you don't look good, we don't look good. But and again, hair is extension of your soul. When your hair looks good, you feel good. When you feel good, it's just a priceless feeling, Your hair feels good, you look good, you feel good. You have the most amazing day. Like this birthday goes on birthday day. She's ahead of the game. Bye, birthday girl. Chin up for me, Christy. This young lady, when she came to me originally, she told me she goes to a hair salon in Dallas, Texas, because she has a hard time finding a hairdresser who can really shape her hair the way it's supposed to be shaped. And she has a lot of hair. She has enough hair. She even got some of my hair. That's why I'm bald. She has enough hair, so thick. Even though she moved far away, but she still travels to come to me because of the fact that everyone knows, once you find the best hairdresser, you gotta appreciate them, because I've heard a lot of times people say, it's only hair. It's only hair when it's done right. You know, only hair. Yes, of course it is, because the way I see it, being a man who had a full head of hair now has none, it's not only hair. Hair is an extension of the soul. It's the only crown you will never take off. Amen? So I know what it means to have the great hair day or the worst hair day. So I take pride in what I do, ladies and gentlemen, and it shows. Let me see this one. I'm gonna bring it a little bit. I want to look at the nape of your head. Sometimes the hair and the nape so close to each other, hairline. I like to do point cutting because that way hair can move, because otherwise when you do haircut, bob, asymmetric haircuts, you need to incorporate some movement. This is a very unique hair cutting technique I developed many years ago, going in and closing as I'm coming in, my hand curves. So it's almost follow the way the skull and the nape and the crown curves. So I follow the way the hair is going to fall without distracting the length of my haircut, but creating this amazing, it's like in some areas, it's almost like a back combing, you know. Shake your hair for me, dear. Yeah, baby. So I like to do everything eye level, because if I don't see it eye level, just like I was saying earlier, you know, driving in the dry weather and wet weather. So when you do hair dry, you can see everything that hair does. Do I cut it wet? Of course I do, but I always finish it dry. Because that way I can see everything exactly what it does. And then since the skull curves, so I always follow that pattern. And then I come back in and take my hair right here. It's always going to come down in. As you can see a little bit longer here, I go in and slice it out. And I come in and point cut its tips and let the hair do what I'm not supposed to do, because this is the area. It's not stationary. It's more mobile. What's that mean? Because it's curved, so the hair is going to move right, left, front, every angle to know. It's like the umbrella or the heel of the crown. This is the heel of the crown where the comb rests. This is the resting point. So that's why I like to do those certain things, certain way. I actually invented these styles back in 1994. I was at the IBS show in New York, Jacob Javits Center. I was watching Tony and Guy. Some of them I went to school with. I was saying, man, I already know these techniques, and this guy's now showing at the show. I was blown away in my own way. So that inspired me through years of my hairdressing experience. Every time I discovered something, it made me smile, because hairdressing is an art history. It's a craft, never grows old. So you just keep creating and creating new discoveries, and along the way, make beautiful memories. Can you look at it for me, see what you think? Say hello to my Facebook friends, including the son, because you're my Facebook friend too. Do you recommend Mario's hair design as my
Absolutely.
Do you recommend
it to everybody.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We love you, and thank you for watching. It's from the heart, from the Mario's hair designs, from my family to yours and to your family, because everybody gonna see her. This Sunday is her birthday coming, so it's everybody gonna say, "Wow, you look great," because people always look at the hair. Actually, a great haircut gets one good compliment. A bad haircut gets 10, and everybody knows it. Everybody. So We do our best and it shows. Come see us, we make you look like a superstar, like this gorgeous lady. And my camera woman is my pride, Miss Ria. Thank you, Miss Ria. Gel Felicia.